When you recite the Quran and contemplate its meaning, you take a positive step towards achieving happiness. Allah described the Quran as being guidance, light and cure for what is in the breast of men. He also described it as being a mercy. Quran says, "There has come to you a good advice from your Lord." That is Quran, ordering all that is good and forbidding all that is evil, and a healing for that disease of ignorance, doubt, hypocrisy and differences which is in your breasts. Quran says, "Do they not then think deeply in the Quran, or are their hearts locked up from understanding it?" Quran says, "Do they not then consider the Quran carefully? Had it been from other than Allah, they would surely have found therein much contradiction." Further, Quran says, "This is a book, the Quran, which we have sent down to you, that full of blessings, that they may ponder over its verses." Reciting the Quran is blessed, as are acting upon it and turning to it for judgment and guidance. A righteous person, and many have had a similar experience, once said, "I felt that a cloud of depression and anxiety was hanging over me. I picked up the Quran and read it for a period of time. Then, by Allah, the depression and anxiety disappeared, and happiness along with tranquility took their place." Verily, this Quran guides to that which is most just and right. Further, Quran says, "And thus we have sent to you, O Muhammad, peace be upon him, Ruh, an inspiration and a mercy of our command." So, we should assure, we should consider, and we should take the light from the Quran. Quran, great book, and thus we send to you